Just, boiling some water here, Ella. What do you want? What do you... I don't have anything for you. I don't have any food for you. This is all human stuff. Sorry. You got a food dish right over here. Right there. Right there. I'm sorry. Do you want some treats? Do you want some treats? Because I don't, and none of this is for you. What's this? There you go. Stop your whining. There you go. Good? You good? You got it? Good.